Hello everyone, welcome back to Manita's cooking classes. Today I have brought you the recipe of Sooji Toast. So let's get started. Here I took a bowl. I am adding in it now 1 cup of Sooji. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt in it. And half teaspoon of black salt. Now here I am adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. We'll mix them and then add in the Sooji. Now we will mix it with the whisk. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds which are crushed. We will mix them also. Now I am adding 1 large sized onion finely chopped. This is 1 medium sized tomato which I have grated. Mix it well. Now here I am adding water in it. We will add the water gradually. We had to make this Sooji batter of spread consistency. Now as you can see, for 1 cup of Sooji, we have used 2 cup of water. Now we will let it rest for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you can see the water has come up. We will mix it again. You can see the Sooji has soaked all the water in it. That's why it has become soft and fluffy. Now here is some green coriander that I have chopped. We will add this also in it. And mix it well. Here I took brown bread. You can use white bread too. Now I had taken them out in a plate. Now here I took a bread. And now we will apply the Sooji mixture on it. You can see how I am spreading the mixture. And it's done. Now here I took a tawa on low to medium flame. Now I will brush some oil on the top of it. Now after the oil is heated, we'll place our bread on it. First we have to cook the side at which we have applied the Sooji mixture. You can see how I am cooking it by pressing it. Now we will remove it and cook it from the other side too. And it's done. You can see how much nice golden brown color has come. Now here I have took it out. Now I have cut it into two pieces. You can see its texture, how much nice it looks. Now I have served it with tomato ketchup. You can use any chutney or sauce you like. Now I am garnishing it with some green coriander. You can see how much nice it looks. Friends, this is a must-try recipe. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon of Maneta's cooking classes. Thank you.